Subscribe to Nazima's Taste of Home. Press the bell icon for latest updates. Today I am back again with a very simple and easy brain masala recipe. This is spicy cow's brain fry, and it is a mouth-watering dish and can be made in different ways. And we also have our own method of preparing this dish, and this too differs from home to home. And here's my mom's version of this spicy brain masala recipe. Usually I make it with pepper, but the difference from the regular brain masala recipe, it is the extra chilies I have used, and it is really scrumptious. So let's see how easy to make this quick and easy version of brain masala recipe. I have taken a cow's brain, add some hot water and gently remove the outer skin, and then cut into medium sized pieces without breaking the brain. In a heavy bottomed pan, I have added about 2 tablespoons of gingerly oil. You can add any oil. When the oil heats up, add 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds and 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and saute it for a few seconds, and then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it for a minute. And now it's fluttering. Add some curry leaves and rampe, and then add 1 large onion chopped and mix it really well and saute it for about a couple of minutes while adding salt as needed. When the onions are semi cooked, add 2 medium sized tomatoes chopped and cook it for about further 1 minute. Now this has been cooking for a minute. When it is semi cooked, now let's add the masalas. Now let's add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1.5 teaspoons of red chili flakes. If you want more spicy, you can add a little more, and half teaspoon red chili powder, and mix it really well, and then cook it for a further minute until the raw smells go off. And then let's add the cow's brain. Now I have rinsed it few times and removed the outer skin, and now let's add it. Now stir well to combine, and then cover it and cook it for 7 to 8 minutes until oil separates. And I am not going to add any water. It will cook on its own water, just like the eggs. It cooks really fast. Now finally add some chopped coriander leaves and 2 to 3 green chilies, and then keep it covered for about 5 minutes and serve hot with roti or white rice, or as a side dish or as a main dish. Now this delicious brain masala recipe is ready for serving. Please do try out this recipe and leave me a comment. If you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Thanks for watching. See you later.